Hey guys, it's KraftsbyJazzy. I was just letting you know I'm about to be going to Hobby Lobby to pick up a couple things, so stay tuned to my haul. Hey guys, so it's KraftsbyJazzy. I wanted to show you guys my quick little haul that I got from Hobby Lobby. I went back in there for some other things. As you can see on one of my videos, I said I'm gonna need a little bit more of those wooden spoons. And by chance, they were on sale, guys. They were on sale. So I was happy that I was able to get them again. So this time, if you watched the other video when I put it up, I had already got 2 packs. But now I got 3 more packs. So in total, 5 packs. That should be enough. They are hand washable, so I don't think we'll need any more. As long as we don't throw them away, we could just keep washing them. But if we need more, we could just buy more. That's not a problem, as long as they're on sale. So I got 3 of those packs. And then I told you guys when I went into Hobby Lobby the other day, I really wanted to do some little baby Christmas trees, because I do like my baby Christmas trees. I had them last year, so this year I can show y'all what I've done. They're not up yet, but when I do put them up, I'll show you guys. But I couldn't resist. They were still on sale, guys, and I got me some little baby ladders. I got the buffalo one, the little candy cane looking one. So I'm excited because those are going to be cute as a little decor, or I could just put them around the house for other things. They do both. Yeah, one says Merry and Bright, the other one says Christmas. So I can always take the little ribbons off or the little thing, but I'm not gonna do that. Maybe one of these days I might buy some more and then DIY them, and then I can have some more little ladders hanging around. And then I needed some, my friend Jill made a thing that I kept looking for and looking for. Finally, she said, hey girl, our Dollar Tree has it, because we have this special Dollar Tree in the area in Dade City. So I was like, oh, okay. I went there and got them. I can show you guys in this haul in a little bit or later. I'll probably do a little Dollar Tree haul that I did. And so I needed some buffalo print scrap paper. So I got the big ones, and then I got 2 of those, and I got 2 of the smaller version. As you can see, I'm probably not going to use all of them, but at least I have them, so that way I can use them for other crafts too if I want to do the buffalo. Alright guys, so that was pretty much in the bag. Now I have a surprise. I told y'all when I was in Hobby Lobby the other day that I really wanted one of these. I've been wanting one of these for a while, but you know, they can tend to be pricey, or sometimes they're not on sale. And they had 2 different sizes. They had a smaller one and they had a bigger one. The smaller one is about $19.99, and then the bigger one was $29.99. Now they both were 50% off. So technically I could have got probably the bigger one, but I don't know what the heck I would do with the bigger one. Our table is not that big. Maybe if I had like a good giant table, that would probably be better. Or like if I wanted to maybe put it up on our counter space up above our counters, maybe. But I just didn't think that would be suitable. So I'm excited, guys. This is like my little mini present for $9.99. Guys, I got it. So, yay! excited. Really what I went to Hobby Lobby for was to look for the paper, those spoons per se, and I wanted to get some little balloons like letters or numbers, because my hubby just made 2K on his channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, or if you have a hubby or somebody that's into 3D printing, be sure to go subscribe. Hit that bell or the notification over here. I don't know where it will be, but his channel is Golden Jaguar 3Ds, and he just hit 2K, y'all. So I am so excited. Check out his channel. He's doing great things over there. So that's why I really came to Hobby Lobby, was to find some little balloons to kind of celebrate, well, 2 and a K or something, and just cheer him up in his next video. But don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in the next DIY hauls or walkthroughs.
Hey y'all, it's KraftsbyJazzy. Thanks for watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and stay tuned to see more of my DIYs, shopping sprees, and more.